another one for your head top. Thank you for your purchase. We're so happy you found something you love. How was your experience? We want to know. Visit our local store or website for customer service or give us feedback on the survey we emailed you. You are important to us. Thank you for being our customer. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Nike don't do nothing. Not Nike, but Sneakers app. The Sneakers app. They didn't send this, but Foot Locker did. Same shoe. Same sneaker. No thank you card. So bam. There you have it. You got your air raids. Got your air raids. Ray guns. Dope. Super dope. I'm rocking with them. Uh-oh. Let me know if you guys rocking with them. I think they're super dope. I think they're super dope. The medial side, he still got that air raid design right there. It would have been nice if it would have had like some alien heads or something right here on this side right here, and then some alien heads. This head right here, pause, with this alien face right here. And it actually glows too, just a tiny bit. It has like a little shine to it if I can get it in the light. We're rocking in 4K vision right now, of course, but really digging this gold on here. This university gold reminds me of a taxi for some reason. Even though the Jordan 12 taxi didn't have that much yellow, it only had a tiny bit in a certain area. Right here on the lateral side, still got your air raid hits. Still, you know, it'd have been nice, like I said, if they would have had the alien faces here and then air raid or ray guns right here. That would have been dope. Or even if they would have had ray gun right here going across the front, you know what I'm saying, in black. That would have, you know what I'm saying, did something extra special for it, you know. But you still have your air raid strap. You know, you can see it right here. Air raid strap. Bam. Then you got for outdoor use only, you know. So I love these back in the day, man. When I had the original air raids, I never had the original air raids, but I had the remake when Fabulous did this song with Tamia, or he took her song and did it with Ashanti, and Tamia got on the video. But yeah, you have ray guns in the inside or whatever. So bam, and then you got the ray gun, that face right there. It's a fictional team that Nike made up. Then you have the Nike swoosh right here with air right there. So white shoestrings, I'm probably gonna switch out the laces. This lace is a little dirty right here. These are the ones that came from Nike. And these are the ones that came from Foot Locker. The laces are clean. They're dope. They're laced up right. I like the yellow little tab strap right there to hold the straps together. I like that. I'm glad that's not black. But all in all, yeah, I think these are dope. So I just want to put it back there so y'all can see it. So I got the ray gun gear too as well. So I got that gear too. And I'll probably add that video onto this one. But I got the hoodie right here. The hoodie is super dope, dumb dope. So you got that right there. So that's matching with the faces, right? So bam, you got the face right there, face right there. And that is the only green on here. They use minimum green, which is cool. So I use that. That's the hoodie. Then you got the zipper here. That comes across, that comes open. You can put your hand in there. Also, you still got your hoodie opening too here at the bottom. And then here you got Nike Dry Fit on the sleeve. And then you have the other Nike check right here that's just glowing. You know what I'm saying? That one just glowing right on the side. So I think the hoodie is dope. Dope, man. Zipper open up right there. 5. You know what I'm saying? The zipper open up just right there. Bam. You know what I'm saying? What? You want to drop some wipes up in there? You want to drop wipe? Let's go. Make sure to close. Close it. Bam. Look at that. You can get the roll. Oh, also I like the way the drawstrings are set up too. Look at how they set up here. So they're not set up here. They set up here. Right here. Yeah. Where you can kind of, you just pull them from the hood. So when you pull the hood, it's tight around your head versus you pulling this and then shrinking the whole thing on your head. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I like about this hoodie right here. Also, it feels good. It lays on the body well. Then you got this one tab right here. Nike standard issue. Classic style meets modern performance. So I like it, man. It's dope. Nothing's on the back. But you do have the sleeves are longer than a regular hoodie here on the wrist. So they grip your wrist. You know what I'm saying? So you have that 90s look, but you still have that modern look at the same time. Also have the shorts. also have the shorts as well. You can see them, says Ray Gun on it. I like how they use the big block letters, the big polished letters or whatnot. And yeah, man, it seems like it's direct to garment. It's not stitched in. I thought it was gonna be stitched in, but that part is not stitched in. It's direct to garment. Now I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. What is that? So that's here, bam, like that. So you can kind of see it's direct to garment. And you can also see that it's kind of thick too. So it's raised up off the surface of this. So you can see that is actually good quality. Like they direct the garment, then they went back and seemed like they glued it, and it seemed like they did a great job removing excess glue and all that too, without damaging the material. And then you also have the drawstrings here. I like how they knotted them up, and they extended them, but not too long, so you can actually pull on them, you know, and then pull your shorts the right way, and they don't get lost when you wash them. Also, these shorts are loose fit, so it's like a classic loose fit. This side right here has just a regular pocket. The left side of the pants, regular pocket. And the opposite side has a zipper, so it has that that zipper, that modern look to it as well. And then it has a zipper, and you can store things in it, like your phone. Boom. That's the outside pocket. I'm sorry, outside. The zipper pocket is here. Boom. You can store things in it like your phone, and then you still have that regular pocket here. Make sure you guys can see it. The regular pocket here. So I like that. Another thing I like about this Ray Gun outfit is this here. So you have the stars. That's a patch that's stitched on. Then you have that that Nike sign right there. That's stitched on, the other star, and then this star here too. Then you got two stripes. So gold, university gold, and some type of college red. And that's the whole fit right there. Bam. Feel me? That's that. That's that fit. And then there's the hoodie. Go with it. I ended up pre-ordering it, so I got it for regular price. Normally, I would just wait to purchase it, but I didn't wait this time because I honestly thought that they were going to be sold out. I thought that they were just going to go, you know, but they didn't. They ended up having a sale where it was 10% off. One store, I know Foot Locker had $10 off. I think that's where I ordered this one from. I got this one, I got it for $10 off. So I ordered from Finish Line, Sneakers app, and Foot Locker. So I was able to cop 3 pair. And that was my goal. My goal was to cop a few pair of these and make sure I keep one for myself, and then make sure, you know, I have a couple more to sell. That's the reason why I copped 3. But other than that, yeah, man, other than that, this is the video. I just want to show you guys this. I did another video. This hanger bothered me. I did another video going through that the ROSWELL hoodie, Ray Guns, and the shorts as well. But I just decided to go ahead and throw it in this video too as well. But yeah, the size 13s are sold out right now on most sites. And then on the StockX, the prices are going up. So, hey, it is what it is. Can't beat them, join them. It's your boy. And I'm out. You guys have a blessed